Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use GoCharting in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to come here on gocharting.com. Afterwards, simply create your account here with the help of your email address. Now, when you do so, you will see your profile icon on the top right hand corner. And here on the home page, you will see this type of search icon. So you just have to simply type that particular asset or the symbol, the chart of which you want to analyze. So let's say I've typed here XAU-USD. So when I typed here, you will see a bunch of different XAU-USD options from different brokers. Like we have Pepperstone, XNES, Onda. So you can select any one of these, and as soon as you click on it, its chart is going to open in front of you just like so. So since I've opened the chart of XAU-USD, it is going to look something like this. Now, when the chart is opened in front of you, the very first thing that you need to do here is to simply change the time frames. So you are going to see the list of all of the time frames over here on the top. You can click on this drop down menu, and then you can basically mark this type of heart right next to that particular time frame which you want to add it over here. So it will be very easy for you to switch between the time frames. Afterwards, in the left hand section, we have a bunch of different tools. Like in the drawing tools, we have lines, patterns, and emojis and shapes. So you just have to click on the option of lines, and from the given options, you can select any of these lines. So let's say you want to use line on your chart in order to analyze it. So you can just simply use it just like so. Afterwards, we have this rectangle option. So rectangle is also very useful tool when we are analyzing the charts. So you can place the chart over here in the tool. So you can choose any of these tools that you want to basically put on the chart, and that's how you can basically use it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.